Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are cooking taco lasagna tonight, and Nicholas wanted me to film it. So Michelle's in there putting it together right now. And so I'm going to go in here and watch what she is doing.
Folks, I've taken our bean and hamburger mixture that is our taco meat, and I spread a layer out in the bottom of my pan. I'm going to put some cheese on it, and then I'm going to put a tortilla over the top.
Now, did you have to grease this pan, Michelle?
I did not. There's enough grease in the taco meat. And never ever start with a taco shell at the bottom, because it'll burn and or stick. And then you repeat with hamburger meat.
Nicholas wanted us to film this, and he's not even in here. Typical teenage son, right, dear?
Yes, dear. Typical teenage son. Oh, speak of the devil.
Now, Nicholas, can you tell our captive audience why you like taco lasagna so much?
I don't know really why I like it so much. I mean, it's tacos and lasagna. Where can you go wrong? Filled with cheese, sour cream, whatever you want on it. I mean, it's so good ever since the first day. Yeah, clean taco too. First day I tried it, it's been so good. And I got hooked on it. I love it. So every time we have tacos, we basically have taco lasagna the next night. It's just so good.
The final layer of cheese, and then we put it in the oven when we're ready for it to bake. 350 until it starts to bubble around the edges, and your cheese is melted and your filling is hot.
Boy, I can't get over how quick and easy that was. It felt like I didn't have to do a thing.
That's because you didn't. Alright, gentlemen. Your taco lasagna is ready to go in the oven. Nicholas, turn the oven to 350, please.
We will be doing something here in a minute, folks. We'll be eating it.
Go ahead and I'll film you putting it in there, Nicholas.
You just put it in there, Nicholas. It can get hot with the
Now,
oven.
if you gonna put something in the oven, be very careful. I know my first couple times putting stuff in the oven, it burnt myself, got hurt. But now where I cook practically a lot, I get burned and it don't even faze me no more.
Oh no, you hoot and holler.
Yeah,
Put this in the first, please.
but what I'm saying is though, like, you don't.
Now, how long should it stay in there, Michelle?
I said until it's bubbling, so about half an hour.
All right, we'll set the timer for half an hour.
Let's put these back in the pantry. In the pantry.
All right, folks. I'm going to pause this video and we'll check it when it's done. See you in a few minutes.
All right.
All right, go ahead. Pull it out, son.
Alright, now, I'm going to tell y'all a very important thing to do while you pull something out of the oven. Make sure to always have dry towels. They can't be damp or nothing. Because if they're even damp, you will get burned really bad because that's just what wet towels do. They eat.
What are we having, son?
We're having taco lasagna.
Looks good.
And if you all didn't see me flinch a little bit, I got burnt on my arm. Right there, where that red spot is right there. I got burnt on my arm because I touched the side of the oven, but I'm okay.
All right, well, there it is, folks. That's taco lasagna.
Do you want me to serve a piece so they can see what it looks like?
I guess.
Nicholas, I need you out of the kitchen. You need to get back. Will you grab a plate real quick? I can't try.
Nicholas, go get a plate so she can serve it.
Paper plate.
No, a real plate.
It's dry.
Walk around there where she can serve it.
Alright, you filming?
Yeah.
Bring the plate over, please.
Looks good, don't it?
Alright, thank you.
Me and Nicholas, we're gonna try it out here. Nicholas, you go ahead and try yours.
And I'm gonna be brave and put. Remember when we had that Carolina Reaper Cheetos? I'm doing the Carolina Reaper hot sauce now, and buddy, it's hot. So you only need about that much, cause
Well, mine's real good. How's yours, Nicholas?
it's really good. Really good. Is an understatement.
I put some sour cream on mine. Taco lasagna.
Here's a bite with some sour cream on it and some of the Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna need it. Oh, man. That is hot. I'm gonna have to get me some milk.
I don't know why he even bothers eating it if he can't handle it. I know I can't handle it, so I don't even try it to begin with.
Well, I like spicy things. They're real good.
I like it.
I like it.
Every time we have tacos, we make a lasagna out of the leftovers. So nothing goes to waste around here.
I tell you what, I'm gonna make a little comment on this. I like it. I love it. And I want some more of it.
Well, that's all we have for you today. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.